So hello guys, welcome back to the new tutorial. In this tutorial, we are going to see how to create measure using sum function in Power BI. So for this tutorial, again, I'll be working with this online retail dataset and it has columns like order date, category, profit and sales. Now let's say we want to find out total profit that was generated. So let's see how we can do this. For that, go to report pane, right click on your dataset, click on new measure, and over here let's give it a name as total profit, and there is function known as sum. It adds all the numbers in the column. So just click on this and sum of profit I want, and just hit enter. And as you guys can see in the dataset, there is one measure has been created with the name total profit, and in front of this name we have a calculator sort of symbol which states that the total profit is a calculated measure. Just select this, and instead of bar, let's say I want a card, so I will select card from visualization pane, and the total profit that was generated is 397.17. So in this way we can create measure using sum function in Power BI. Thank you so much for watching this video. Stay tuned for more upcoming videos.